Okay, everybody, my name's Kevin. Welcome to my shop. Today I'm going to be turning a diamond painting pen. I took some black walnut wood pieces and I cut shapes out of them. I drilled a hole, used my scroll saw and cut the shapes out of the center without coming in. This one I have here, the wood is in it, and I cut it from the inside of another piece, and that piece is on my bench, so it's got a hole, but this is the piece that I cut out of so this is the cutout. This is like the cookie that came from the cutout, if that makes sense. And what I'm going to do is going to turn this, attempt to turn it anyway. And see what it looks like. Sorry about that. My roughing gouge was dull. Not cooperating. Tough stuff here. Alright, that's dull. Now we're going to try carbide. I need to make a cheater bar. A story stake, that's what it's called. I need one. I'm trying to get this down to just about a half an inch. 0.6 is usually about where I try to be. 0.6, 0.63. Alright, now I have a customer that has requested a very particular shape for this, but here is the wood coming through. It's a little bit off center, so you see a snaky kind of design there and a snaky kind of design here. So next up, I'm going to take my small skew chisel and shape the ends. You gotta see what the measurement is on that. Mark that. I need my tool. What to do? Alright. That looks pretty good. Alright. Okay everybody, I've got the shape similar to what the customer was asking for. I'm going to contact them now, see if this will do for what she wanted, and once that's established, then I'll go through and I'll wet sand it and get it all finished up, and then when it's all done I'll come back and show you. So I'll be back. Okay everybody, I finished turning this pen and I put my buffing wheel on the lathe, and I'm going to put the carnauba wax on here and buff it up for the customer. Well, you know, once again, you guys would like to see what I'm doing. Okay, so anyway, what I try to do is hold the pen at a 45-degree angle to the buffing pad. Try to get the end real good. Get the other end real good. And there, it's a little bit, it creates a little bit of static, so the dust and the resin dust sticks to it a little bit. But once the person gets it, they can take it and blow it off and wipe it with a paper towel, and it'll look really good. Let me get this. I mean, wow, this thing turned out amazing. Look at the colors. And that black walnut that's in there, that really just sets that off. That's running his mouth. So anyway, that's all I have. If you like what I'm doing, give me that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, tell somebody what I'm doing, and really truly tell me what you think of what I'm making. It looks pretty good, my humble opinion. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye. Want to see out the window? There you go. See my neighbor. Alright, let's see. Where's that button? Oops, kick it. In just a little bit.